Woke up at 11 o'clock, I ain't got no job, what the hell should I do today? This feel like some I don't give a fuck, oh my god, shut the fuck up, I ain't hearing what you gotta say.
This boy 1, 2, 3.
Gonna do like an introduction.
I'm cold. We're going for a walk and then get the drinks. Are you swimming? Yeah. Right now?
Yeah, but naked.
Ah.
Is it a big enough vessel?
What the deal, how you feel, not important. All I'm thinking about is riding in these Porsches, but don't be coming at me with that horse shit. Acting like you know me, that's the worst shit. I know in my soul.
Good morning, beach.
Put them on. Oh no. How about we swap for a bit?
No, I'm okay. I like these glasses. They're good.
No swaps backsies.
Run! No.
You can't catch up. You can have these ones if you want.
No, that's okay. Yours look great on you. My beautiful reverse carrot.
I'm trying to be camo.
We're walking up a ski field.
And Alex is gonna go swimming.
Naked?
I assume.
Your ass looks great. Yeah, yours is good as well. Jesus, Alex. Ah! I thought there would actually be water. We done did it. A bit covered in snow, but it is a lake. Oh my god, hi, how are you?
Oh, hi.
Oh my god, hi. Oh,
Oh, hi.
oh no. I ain't going down there. I want to stand on the frozen lake. And they're naked. Can you guys see the dog behind you though? There's a dog behind you.
Oh wow, there's actually a dog behind.
Boy's showing you up. I don't think this is going to go well for me.
Just don't throw it out there and you go. Alright Joe, take it away.
It's so tiny. And it's so heavy.
Yeah. That actually stayed pretty flat.
Yeah.
I was surprised.
Oh.
Yeah.
Shit.
To the left.
So is there a technique to this?
Just like frisbee. Pretty flat. Just like flat.
Pretty flat.
I have no words. So I lost, but what were we expecting after that first hole, eh? All is fine. I have coffee and I'm going to be irresponsibly responsible and do some work while I'm on holiday because I can't help myself. It's okay though. We have a caramel latte and some carrots. Yeah. Oh.
So disappointed.
This bitch sleepy.
Doing the good stuff.
hurts me so hard.
Disgusting. Get online.
Can we please have some modelling of it? Oh, wow.
This is my hiking hoodie, actually. It's made of 100% cotton, the best material to go outdoors in.
We're going up there. Oh, dude. It really doesn't look that bad on camera, so people are going to be like, what the hell are you talking about? How did you run this?
By sprinting up small sections and
Jeez. Wait, so you walked some of it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So steep.
Content. Over there.
We did it.
And then 24 on 36.
They have come for yum yums. So excited.
So good.
I don't want your love. Don't come to me now. I don't want your love. Don't come to me now. I don't want your love. Don't come to me now.
I look so pale. Today I bought in Queenstown. Ooh! They're multicolored.
now I can get my mind. Oh, that is a spicy colour.
Right? Oh, they're matching!
Wait!
Oh!
Every single time there can be a shot of Miranda's booty. There's a shot of her booty. Little spots.
Right, yes. I need to get bigger quads. But I think my favourite part of this is that this kind of suits. Like. I would go clubbing in this. I would be warm. I would be sexual. That's what everyone wants in town. In fact, I've already preed. I've had my hot chocolate. I feel like I'm just stinking up my new clothes right now.
Yeah, that's why I don't want to put on.